Gisele Bundchen is a well-known Brazilian model who is the first model from Brazil to get international acclaim. From 2000 till 2007, she has served as a Victoria's Secret Angel. Bundchen is also an actress and has appeared in television and films. She is known as the horse walk. She has done modeling with several big names in the fashion industry. In 1999, Bundchen was credited as the return of the sexy model by Vogue. Early life. Gisele Caroline Bundchen was born in Brazil on 20 July 1980 to her parents Valdír Vündshen and Vânīa Nonnenmashēr. She has 5 sisters including her twin sister Patricia. Bundchen is fluent in Portuguese, Spanish, Italian and English. She also knows some French. Personal life. In February 2009, Gisele Bundchen got married to Tom Brady. The couple has 2 children named Vivian Lake Brady and Benjamin Brady. She has also dated Scott Brunhill, Josh Hartnett, and Leonardo DiCaprio. In 2009, she became the Goodwill Ambassador of UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme. She has also been active in various charitable and environmental activities. She has made a donation to several organizations and was dubbed as Boobs from Brazil. Age, height and weight. Being born on 20 July 1980, Gisele Bundchen is 41 years old as of today's date, 21st February 2022. Her height is 1.8 meter tall and her weight is 60 kg. Career. Gisele Bundchen joined the modeling course in 1993. Later, she was placed second at the Elite Look of the Year contest. She then traveled to many cities and in 1998, she walked the runway for designer Alexander McQueen. Net worth and salary. As of February 2022, Gisele Bundchen has an estimated net worth of more than $450 million. She made this fortune by doing modeling for various top brands in her career. She is one of the top earning models of the world. In 2007, she was the entertainment industry's 16th richest woman. Part of her wealth also comes by appearing in numerous commercials and by launching several products. Bachchan has launched her own line or organic skin care called Sija A. She has done many other endeavors. Gisele Bundchen is considered one of the most popular sports model in the world. She has become the #1 enemy of PETA. She is also one of the most successful models in the world, who has appeared one of the list of several magazines. She has made in the Guinness Book record for the most earning model.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on